Words of wisdom from Wisconsin. I brought some gum. I'm not advocating one brand over the other. And in my zeal to open it up, I opened it up here. And whoop, whoop, whoop. All I had to do was just flip the little flap. The daughter pointed that out to me. Oops. Dropped my gum. It's okay. This is the best part of flying. You get to chew gum. Everyone on the plane is half asleep. I'm awake though. Okay, now we're on another flight, and I think we're going to be going over lunchtime. So I brought my own meal for the plane. Captain's wafers, leftover chicken and broccoli, and then the pièce resistance, a pomegranate sunflower salad, and bowl. I'm all set.